Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5838 Westlake Road on beautiful Conesus Lake.
This is an extremely rare waterfront property with 25 feet of lake level waterfront, over 16 acres for potential subdivision, and a two-family home.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This rare two-family home features two second-floor apartments, one a two-bedroom and the other a one-bedroom, plus additional flex space and a three-car garage. Let's take a peek inside. Enjoy the open lake lifestyle with entertainment-sized great rooms, charming lake and country-themed kitchens, spacious bedrooms and bathrooms, in-unit laundry, private balconies, and breathtaking lake views everywhere you look. The perfect investment property for Airbnb or a family compound. This property is perfect for the nature lover or outdoor enthusiast with approximately 17 acres with two ravines, tranquil waterfalls, picnic areas for friends and family to gather, fire pits to enjoy those warm summer nights, and scenic views. Truly a spectacular waterfront retreat. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with 25 feet of pristine waterfront with a stone beach and a little point for unbelievable panoramic lake views. This sizable lot and acreage allow for potential subdivision to build your dream lake home with million-dollar Conesus Lake views.
Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Lakeville with great restaurants, shopping, and parks. Nearby is SUNY Geneseo, a great college, and Letchworth State Park, the Grand Canyon of the East.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5838 Westlake Road on gorgeous Conesus Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!